Hello, my name is Professor Fawcett Dunstan. I'm one of the instructors that helped to create this English 101 online course. Today I'm going to be talking about the health module, and I'll give you a brief overview of how to navigate through that particular module. In order to do that, you will go to the Learning Modules on the left side navigation bar. You will scroll down to the Health module. Click on the tab that says Health Module, and you will find pertinent information having to do with this particular module. Your instructor may opt to put the due dates for the health assignments on the Calendar tab, and if that is the case, you may want to go to the sidebar and go to Calendar to see the due dates for each day that an assignment is due. My rule of thumb for my students is for them to check the calendar every day as they log on, just to make sure that they're up to date with what is due. So the health module will provide information about nutrition, what we eat, foods that are organic, sugar, and different kinds of things. You will find the information, the articles, the videos in these folders that we name the Health Learning Resources. For week 1, we give it a name. So you can open that tab, and when you open the tab, you will see a list of videos and articles related to the module of health. In this particular module, there is a video, and there are 2 articles associated with it as well. In order to go to the other modules or the other weeks within that module, you will go back. You can go back to the learning modules and then click on health again, and then scroll down to the other weeks. It goes week by week, and you'll work out of the folder each week. And so you have Health Learning Resource 2 for week 2, Health Learning Resource week 3, the videos and articles related to the module, and Health Learning Resource for week 4. For this particular module, the assignment will be due, the essay will be due at the end of week 4, so you'll have a lot of pertinent information to help you with the assignment. Let me just work you through what to expect with the discussion board post. So after you've done the readings for the module in the different weeks, you're requested to post your information, your responses to the readings on the discussion board. And for this health module, you have 2 major health discussion board posts related to the articles that you have read. You will also have to complete an assignment, which is your essay. For this particular health module, it is somewhat of a persuasive essay, and I'll walk you through very quickly how to find where to upload your essay once you've completed it, and even where to find the prompt. The prompt is found in the health assignments. If you click on that, it should come up, and there's the health essay. And when you click on that, it'll give you information about what is expected for this particular assignment once you complete it. When you have completed your essay, you will save it to your computer or a cloud saving device. You'll browse for it. You'll click on the Browse My Computer. Your computer will search for where you've saved it, and then you'll hit Open. And then you will click the submission button, the submit button, and you should be able to upload your essay that way as well. And so that's really it for the health module. To review, I will suggest that you look at the calendar first, then work your way through the learning modules, and then also go ahead and do the discussion board posts, and finally submit your essay once you've completed it. I hope this was helpful.